Emmy, okay, stop and let him do it now. Stop and let him do it. Now that he can see it, maybe he'll do it. Nope, stop and let him do it. Thank you. Callan. Show him, Emmy, show him. Stop. Don't open it anymore. Let him do it. Look at Callan. Look at.
Huh?
Look at. Look, there's your other present.
Push it towards him.
No, push it toward him. Oh, is that your present, Callan?
What's it do?
Let me see. Oh my goodness.